Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add text to your videos in OBS Studio. Whether you're creating a live stream overlay, adding a watermark, or just labeling your content, this method works perfectly for all types of projects. Let's get right into it. First, open OBS Studio and go to the Sources panel at the bottom. Click on the plus icon to add a new source. From the menu, select text.gdi+. This option allows you to create and customize text that will appear on your screen. A small window will pop up. You can either create a new source or choose Add Existing if you already have a text layer saved. If you're adding new text, give it a name like Title Text or Watermark, then hit OK. Next, you'll see a Settings panel where you can change how your text looks. Click on Select Font to open the Font Customization window. Here you can choose your font type, adjust the style to bold or italic, and set your font size. Once you're happy with it, click OK to confirm. Now, in the text box below, type the text you want to appear on your video. It could be your channel name, a message, or anything else. You'll instantly see a live preview of your text inside the OBS canvas. Once you're done, click OK to add the text to your scene. You can now drag and position the text anywhere on your video. If you need to resize it, simply grab the edges of the box and adjust it to fit your layout. That's it! You've successfully added text to your video in OBS Studio. You can repeat these steps to add multiple text layers, each with different fonts, colors, or animations. And there you have it, a clean, easy way to personalize your OBS streams or recordings with text. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more OBS and streaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.